Okay, good morning everyone. It's your first day of home learning. I hope you're all well. We're going to start off with our spelling test today. So hopefully you can remember the words that we've been learning throughout the week. I'm going to read all of them out, and then once I'm done I will put the spelling list on the board for you. So, starting off, your first word is accommodate. Accommodate. Number 2, available. Available. Number 3, controversy. Controversy. Number 4, dictionary. Dictionary. Number 5, marvelous. Marvelous. Number 6, opportunity. Opportunity. Number 7, secretary. Secretary. Number 8, sincerely. Sincerely. Number 9, suggest. Suggest. And the last one, 12th. 12th. Okay, so if you need to hear any of those again, just rewind the video and feel free to listen to it as much as you need to. Once you have done, here are your answers. Okay, so you can give them a little tick if you want and see how you did. And then once you've done that, we are going to move on to the rest of SPAG, which is looking at subordinating conjunctions and coordinating conjunctions. So, you'll remember coordinating conjunctions. We did it not too long ago. We've got our fanboys, for and not, nor, but, or, yet, so. Okay, so they give equal importance to the words or sentences that they connect. And then we've also got subordinating conjunctions, which is I saw a wabble. If, since, as, when, although, while, after, before, until, because. Okay, so those are the most common ones you'll find. They're used at the beginning of a subordinate clause, which is a clause that doesn't make sense on its own. So we've got a couple examples here. So here's an example of a coordinating conjunction. We've got I went to the park, comma, and I slid down the slide. Okay? If I didn't have the word and in there, I went to the park would make sense, and I slid down the slide would make sense. You could also use and for a list, so that would mean no comma. I went to the park and slid down the slide. That's if you were doing it as a list. And then here we've got an example of a subordinated conjunction. So the main clause is I went to the park, and the subordinating clause is even though it was raining. If I just said to you, even though it was raining, you'd be waiting for the rest of my sentence, so it doesn't make sense on its own. It's a subordinating conjunction. And the subordinating conjunction is even though. Okay, so looking at these, we're going to have a look at which ones are subordinating and which ones are coordinating. So we've got, we are going swimming, although the new wave machine is not working. So if I said we are going swimming, it makes sense. But if I said, although the new wave machine is not working yet, that doesn't make sense on its own. So therefore, this must be a subordinating conjunction. The next one we've got, finally, the car started. So we could set off to the swimming baths. Finally, the car started. We could set off to the swimming baths. That would make sense on its own. So is a coordinated conjunction. Remembering our fanboys. I don't want to go swimming unless my friend can come too. If I would say I don't want to go swimming, it makes sense. Unless my friend can come too doesn't make sense by itself, so that's a subordinating. We've got we have to decide whether to go swimming in the cold sea or go to the lovely heated swimming pool. Well, or is one of our fanboys, so it's a coordinating conjunction. We have decided whether to go swimming. We have to decide whether to go swimming in the cold sea. Makes sense. Go to the lovely heating swimming pool. Makes sense. We are trying to catch popular Pokemon, but neither of us have caught Pikachu or Charizard yet. Well, but again is one of our fanboys, so therefore it is a coordinating conjunction. We are going to keep on trying to catch popular Pokemon in order that we can add Pikachu and Charizard to our collection. Okay, so in order that is a subordinating conjunction. Because if I were to read, in order that we can add Pikachu and Charizard to our collection, it doesn't make sense by itself. So then our next sentence. We are going to keep on trying to catch popular Pokemon, even if it takes us all the summer. If I just said to you, even if it takes us all the summer, you'd be waiting for the rest of my sentence. So therefore, it's a subordinating conjunction. Doesn't make sense by itself. The last one we have been trying to catch popular Pokemon since we finished school. Okay, so think about, does this make sense as two separate parts? We have been trying to catch popular Pokemon since we finished school. Nope, subordinated conjunction doesn't make sense by itself. Okay, so now your job is you're going to look at these sentences and you're going to find all the conjunctions in each box. So use your I saw a Wabob and your fanboys to help you. Write down these sentences and please underline, highlight, circle the conjunctions for each one. And that is all you need to do for SPAG. Once you have done that, please move on to your reading, which will be on a different video. Good luck.